Okay, so I really hope that you enjoy my tutorials. Okay, so if you have any tutorial that you want to learn, then just comment below. Okay, so now for the next tutorial. Okay, so the next one, after you do like this, okay, so you have to uh, throw the hat. Okay, so from this one transition, so you have to do is to grab your head, your feather like this, and then you put your left leg like this, and then you go pa. Okay, at once. Okay, okay, pa. Okay, pa. Okay, throw it. Okay, and then go like this. Okay, and then this is comb the hair. Okay, so you have to practice with the basic one with your hip like this. Okay, so it is all about the hip. Okay, so you can watch my Michael Jackson dance tutorial for beginners, and you will see the basic thing with the hip like this. And then with the hip you have to put it just on the other side, put your force on from left to the right. Okay, so break it down. It's just the hip, 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 and then with the leg. Okay, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, so with the arm. Okay, 1 2. Okay, 1 2. Okay, 1 2. Okay, so from the beginning. Okay, with the hip. Okay, no arms, no legs. Okay, so just the hip here. Okay, so that's the hip. Okay, and then the leg. Okay, pa 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 pa. So as you can see, sometimes I can just do like this too. Okay, so it's all about the basic. It's all about the basic. Okay, so pa pa. Okay, so because this music is very kind of down, right? Okay, so have to do with the arms. It's kind of very stylish, right? Okay, so pa ha. Okay, so you push your uh, hip and the leg on the left here, and then you have like comb your hair. Okay, ha, 1 2 1 2. Okay, so here goes. Okay, okay, and then so it will be another video. Okay, so I really hope you enjoy this one. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Bye bye.